Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We're going to Oman today. Our Oman escapade with Beth and Mamaimi. See you in a while. My first travel after 13 years in UAE. Yes! Our pickup point near Madinat Said. So here we are. This is our coaster going to Al Ain. Hi! Hello! Hello there! Passport pala, malimita pa. Yes, sa bus. Hindi na ba kayo? Hindi pa. Ayos muna kami sa mga passport.
Welcome to Oman, guys. Our dinner here. Kain tayo. Mandi-mandi. Hi! Ayun yung bag namin. Kahit natapos na namin kumain. Video to, vlog to. Vlog to. Hi! Ano masasabi niya? How's your trip? Diba? Ang haba ng biyahe. Biyahe again. Biyahe again. Ayan, nasa Samsam kami. Again, my way, come on. I say hey, 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 I love you till the morning comes. Woo. I say hey, 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 I kiss you in the morning sun. Now's not the right time to get serious. Now is not the right time. Now is not the right time, babe. I don't wanna seem mysterious, cause every time I give you, whenever you come, rockin' my way. Come on, I say hey, 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 I love you till the morning comes. I say hey, 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 I'll kiss you in the morning sun. I love you till the morning comes. I say hey, 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 I'll kiss you in the morning sun.